All right, good morning. We have a good day planned ahead. We're going to take a nice bike ride through Burlington, Vermont.
Yeah, and maybe check out the farmer's market and see what else is going on in town.
Yeah.
All right.
Just a quick note of passing 200 miles today, total. 17 miles so far on our bike ride and 73% battery left, so we're good for the rest of the day. All right, so here we are, last stint with Burlington, Vermont. It's been
this awesome trail, the Burlington Greenway Trail.
It's been beautiful.
Yeah.
I mean, straight up, one of the best bike rides we've done. Trail system's probably about 20 good miles up and down, and intersects all throughout town, and just a great, cool town. So if you get a chance,
our butts start to hurt.
we're doing okay so far. It's been a little over a month now. Did about 150 to 200 miles on the bikes. What's your impressions?
Overall, we can go longer, faster.
Up the hills that we did today?
Oh yeah, the hills was super easy. So.
Yeah, before on our last bikes, barely could make it up. These twice as high of an incline, and bikes are just breezing through
problem.
it. So where do we go to next time? Where's our next trail going to be?
In town maybe?
Afterwards, where to? What's our next big bike ride?
We'll be in Nova Scotia, so... Oh no, wait, Maine first, so... The Carriage Trail?
Carriage Trail sounds good. Yeah, that'd be a good one for the e-bikes. After that, Halifax will be good. Downtown Halifax, so...
Yeah.
It'll be fun.